Calculate the value of the given equation y cubed plus 2y s squared plus s cubed when y equals 2 and s equals -1, right? So our given equation here is y cubed plus 2y s squared plus s cubed, right? Where our values, our given values here is y equals 2 and s equals -1, right? So let's delve into the solution. So our given solution here is y cubed plus 2y s squared plus s cubed when y equals 2 and s equals -1, right? So we just have to insert our given values into our given equation, right? So y cubed, where y is equal to 2, is giving us 2 cubed plus 2 multiplying y s squared, which y is 2, right? So 2 multiplying 2 and s is -1, so multiplying -1 here, right? So plus s cubed, right? So we have our s cubed to be -1 cubed, right? So we are going to have our new equation to be 2 cubed plus 2 multiplying 2 multiplying -1 squared plus -1 cubed, right? So 2 cubed is giving us 2 multiplying 2 multiplying 2, right? 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, right? 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 4. Then 4 multiplying 2 will give us 8, right? So that's how come we have 8 here. So 8 plus, right, 2 multiplying 2, okay? 2 multiplying 2 here will give us 4, right? And -1 square is seen as -1 multiplying -1, right? -1 multiplying -1 plus -1 cube is seen as -1 multiplying -1 multiplying -1, which is -3, right? So we have our new equation to be 8 plus 4 multiplying, all in brackets, -2 plus -3, right? So I expanded it further. 8 plus 4 multiplying, all in brackets, -2 plus -3. Okay. We are going to, when we simplify, we are going to further have 8 plus 4 multiply, all in brackets, -2. And here, watch here. Positive reacting with negative will give us negative. Positive plus negative will give us negative, right? So negative, which is -3 here, right? So that's how come we had -3 here. So we are going to have our new equation to be 8 plus 4 multiplying, all in brackets, -2 minus 3, right? So -2 minus 3 would give us 8 plus 4, right? -2, you own someone, okay? You own someone 2 things, right? And you have 3, and they've subtracted 3. You have 3, and you owe let's say you owe someone 2 things, right? And you go on to have 3 additional things, right? So that means when we subtract now -2 minus -3, right? So -2 minus -3 would give us -1, right? Okay, -2 minus -3 will give us -1. So we are going to have our new equation to be 8 plus 4 multiplying -1, or in brackets, right? So when we simplify further, we are going to have 8 plus 4 multiplying -1, right? 4 multiplying -1 will give us 4 minus 1, right? So we are going to have our new equation to be 8 plus 3, right? Because 4 minus 1 is 3. So we are going to have our final answer to be 11. 8 plus 3 is 11, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do what to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.